military services offices at Rowan College of South Jersey are honored to serve the soldiers, sailors, airmen, guardsmen, and military dependents of our U.S. Armed Forces. Our goal is to help our military students transition from military to college life by offering a wide range of support services catered to their specific needs. We offer a variety of services on both campuses and have school certifying officials at both campuses. Rowan College of South Jersey is committed to the men and women who have served in our armed services. The college's commitment is demonstrated through President Keating's and the Trustee Board's support in signing the Veteran Administration's 8 Keys to Vet Success, Principles of Excellence, and offering priority registration. RCSJ has been recognized in the past as being military-friendly. The college also shows it is supportive by having student veteran study lounges on both campuses. Each campus also has a student veteran group. The Gloucester campus has the Student Veterans of America (SVA) chapter, and the Cumberland campus has the GI Club. Both clubs are free to join, and our military students are encouraged to get involved. Enrolling in Rowan College of South Jersey is an easy process. Students can enroll online and submit their application free of charge. After applying, students can submit previous standardized test scores, high school and college transcripts to the Cumberland or Gloucester campus, depending on where the student will attend classes. The student still has the option of completing their FAFSA, but if they are relying on VA benefits to pay for all or some of their education, the student would then apply for a Certificate of Eligibility, or COE. A COE is a government-issued document which indicates that a member of the armed forces who served a certain number of days and is honorably discharged can use benefits to pay for education and training. The application for the COE takes approximately 15 minutes to complete and asks for basic information about the servicemen and their military history. Once the application for the COE is complete, a student will receive written notification from the Veterans Administration within 30 days. Next, the COE and a copy of the serviceman's DD-214 outlining their separation from their military branch can be brought to the campus's school certifying official when the student is ready to enroll. During the meeting with the school certifying official, the process of how benefits affect the student will be outlined. A student may be eligible for a book stipend and/or a monthly housing allowance, depending on their specific benefit. The college also has specific scholarships available exclusively for military students. The student's responsibilities for communicating with the office will also be discussed during this meeting. Once a student is enrolled, there are ways for the student to be involved on campus. At Cumberland, students can join the GI Club and take control of the programming they want to see on campus. In the past, students have hosted fundraisers and donated time to the Veterans Memorial Home and other local organizations focused on bettering the lives of veterans. The GI Club also co-sponsors the Cumberland County Veterans Affairs Military Honors event every spring. The event recognizes veterans who have made an impact on the local community. At the Gloucester campus, the SVA chapter has participated at the National SVA Convention. They have also held various fundraisers, including the Barbecue Lunch with a Veteran event. The group has donated money to various veteran causes as well. The SVA hosts the annual Veterans Day event at the Gloucester campus. The SVA, along with the Military Services Office, hosts an annual Stand Down event each year in the spring, which provides many resources to our veteran students. The Gloucester campus also has vet-to-vet tutoring and Veterans Bookshelf available to military students. Our Military Services Office has many community partners that are willing to help our military students. Some of these partners are the Fleet Reserve Association, Vet Center of Philadelphia, VFW, and Camp Salute. There are plans to have a certified veteran service officer on campus to aid veterans with their VA claims. Rowan College of South Jersey will continue its commitment to serve those who have worn the uniform. We will continually look for and add resources to make your transition from the military to scholar as easy as possible. Much like having a battle buddy to depend on, our office is filled with experienced people willing to assist you in your educational endeavors.